Good morning, students. Today, example 2.32. Find the cube roots of unity. Find the cube roots of unity. We have to find 1 power 1 by 3. Let z equal to 1 power 1 by 3. Then z cube equal to 1. In polar form, the equation z cube equal to 1 can be written as z cubes equal to cos 0 plus 2k by plus I sin 0 plus 2k by. Because 1, we have to write cos theta plus I sin theta, then cos 0 degree plus I sin 0. Okay, adding 2k by to the argument, we get the answer cos 0 plus 2k by plus I sin 0 plus 2k by. In Euler form, e power I 2k by, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. Okay, therefore z equal to rising the power 3, then cos 0 plus 2k by plus I sin 0 plus 2k by whole power 1 by 3. So applying De Moivre's theorem, cos 2k by 3 plus I sin 2k by 3. Okay, in Euler form I have to write e power I 2k by 3, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2. First we substitute k is equal to 0. First we substitute k is equal to 0. Taking k is equal to 0 in this equation, now z equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 degree, that is 1, plus I sin 0, yes, very good, 0. So 1 plus I 0, that is the answer is 1. Next we substitute k is equal to 1 in this equation, then z equal to cos 2 into 1 into by, that is 2 by 3 plus I sin 2 by 3. 2 by 3 lies which quadrant? Do you know? Yes, by 3 means 60 degree. So 2 by 3, that is 120 degree. This is lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant, how do you find the value of cos 2 by 3, sin 2 by 3? Yes, we have to write by minus by 3. By means 180 degree minus theta plus I sin 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta, this is lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant, do you know second quadrant what is? Here first quadrant all, second quadrant student, third quadrant take, fourth quadrant centum. All student take centum. Second quadrant student, first letter S. S represent sine and reciprocal of sine, that is cosecant, to only get positive sign. Here we have cos theta, so we get sine minus symbol, okay, and sine gets positive sign. Okay, sine finished. Next value 180 by means 180. In 180, how many 90 degrees are there? 2 90s. Okay, how many 90s? 2 90s. So 2 is the even number. So sin theta gets sin theta, cos theta gets cos theta. So cos by minus by 3, this is equal to cos by 3. Sin by minus by 3, this is also equal to sin by 3. If even number of times 90 degree appear, theta is no change. Once again listen, if even number of times 90 degree appear, there is no change in theta. That is sin which implies sin theta, cos which implies cos theta. Okay, students, are you understand? In quadrant we must listen 2 points. First one, symbol plus or minus. Second one, theta, sin theta which implies what, cos theta which implies what. So only we take 2 points. Okay, now cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Then cos pi by 3, cos 60 degree value is what, 1 by 2. We have one minus symbol, so we write minus 1 by 2 plus I sin pi by 3, that is root 3 by 2. This point lies in which quadrant? Yes, second quadrant, minus 1 by 2 on the x-axis, root 3 by 2 on the y-axis. So we plot the point minus 1 by 2 comma I root 3 by 2. First we put k is equal to 0. We have z equal to 1. That is 1 plus I 0. So we mark the point on the x-axis. Okay, that is the real axis. Here positive only. Okay, next we are going to find third one. If k is equal to 2, k is equal to 2, then we get the answer z equal to cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3, which quadrant? Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Then 4 60s, yes, 240 degree. 240 degree lies in third quadrant. 240 degree lies in third quadrant. Okay, so third quadrant, listen, how do you write 4 pi by 3? We have to write pi plus theta. Here pi is lies in here 180 degree, so pi plus theta. So pi plus pi by 3 plus I sin pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus theta. Listen, third quadrant, all student take. Here we write t. That is tan and reciprocal of tan. What reciprocal of tan? Cot. So tan and cot only get positive symbol. Here we have cos and sin. So both are gets negative symbol. So first we write negative sign. Okay, symbol over. Next, theta. Here pi means 180 degree, so 90 degree in 2 times appeared. 2 times means even number of times. So even number of times appeared, cos theta gets cos theta, sin theta gets sin theta. So we write minus cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3. Are you understand? Okay. Next, cos pi by 3 value, that is minus 1 by 2. I minus I sin pi by 3, that is minus I root 3 by 2. Then listen, how do you plot it? This is here third quadrant, minus 1 by 2, x-axis minus and y-axis also equal to minus. So we plot the point in third quadrant. Okay, now the cube roots of unity are 1 minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. That we take 1 omega square, where omega is e power I 2 by 3. Its value is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. This is our cube root of unity. Okay, now listen, in the diagram, listen here 1, that is here omega, this is omega square. Then one triangle, 3 points form a triangle, and 3 points lies on the circumference of the circle, all are get radius 1 unit. Here radius is how much? 1 unit. Okay, and equal difference, argument differs by equal, that is e power I. Here listen, we write e power I 2 by 3. Okay, okay, are you understand? Okay, thank you.